recently I visited Taj Vivanta in Mangalore, and I would like to give you a quick tour of this hotel. Let's get started. Once you enter, you can see the parking area. They do offer valet parking as well. This is the lobby area. It's quite spacious with lots of comfortable sofas to sit and relax. The reception is right here, and our check-in was quick and smooth. The moment you reach, they offer you a refreshing welcome drink, which was really good. This whole place gives you a very pleasant and relaxing vibe. As we move further inside, on the left hand side, you will find the hotel's restaurant. It's called Mint. It has a beautiful and cozy setup where you can enjoy your meals. I will give you a tour of a dinner and the breakfast experience here later, so stay tuned for that. As we move further, you can see there are some nice sitting arrangements near the pool where you can relax and also enjoy your meals. The pool is not that big, but it's very clean and well maintained, and it's definitely one of the most relaxing corners of the hotel. This is the gym area. It's well equipped and looks really clean. Best part, it was not crowded at all, just three of us, probably because everyone is enjoying the food instead of working out. But if you are a fitness lover, you can definitely try this out. This is the way to our room. As soon as you walk in, you can see how spacious the room is and has everything that you need for a comfortable stay. I love the interiors, soft lighting, and the paintings. That's a huge TV though, we have not used it at all. Here's a super comfy bed, a neat work desk if you need to get things done. And there is a stylish lounge area where you can sit back and relax. And yes, there are some snacks that you can grab along with the mini fridge that's filled with beers, chocolates, and cold drinks. I just want to give a little heads up though, all of these are chargeable, and trust me, they will remind you when you are checking out. Let's check out the bathroom. It's super clean, modern, and really well designed. It's full equipped with all the essentials, including toiletries. There's a large mirror and plenty of space to move around. I love how neat and organized everything is. The dinner at Taj Vivanta offers you a great variety of dishes. The menu has plenty of options, so you will never run out of choices. So that is definitely something for everyone. The food was fresh and really tasty. The staff at the restaurant are very friendly. They make you feel welcome from the moment you walk in, and they're always ready to help. This behavior definitely adds a special touch to the dining experience and makes it even more enjoyable. Starting the day with breakfast at Taj is such a wonderful experience. They have got a great spread with plenty of choices, from light, healthy options to delicious comfort food. Everything is freshly made, flavorful, and beautifully served. They do have live counters, and again, the staffs are very attentive and made sure you have everything you need. I would say it's a perfect way to kickstart your morning. And that wraps up my time here at Taj Vivanta. It had been an absolute delight. From the food to the ambience, everything was perfect. Catch you soon on the next video.